Hello, third grade, and welcome to Grammar for today. This week we are going to be reviewing the skills that we have been practicing in third grade so far. Today we're going to start with parts of speech, and then we'll go on to different parts of grammar to review. So to start off, we're going to look at the three parts of speech we look at in third grade. The first part are verbs. Those are action words, words that you can do. So you can jump, spin, fly, or write. To find a verb, you can ask yourself, can I, and then plug in the word. Can I jump? Yes. Can I spin? Yes. Can I fly? Technically no, but someone could fly. Can I write? Yes. So if someone or something could do that, it is a verb. Next we have adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns, and we'll do both of these together. Nouns are people, places, things, and ideas. To decide if it is an adjective, we can ask ourselves, what kind? So maybe we had a thing like a ball. What kind of ball? A blue ball. Maybe we had a location like a desert. What kind of desert? A dry desert. So asking yourselves what kind can help us find the adjectives. And finally, for nouns, probably the easiest to locate, we can ask ourselves, is it a person, a place, a thing, or an idea? And those are nouns. Now let's move on to our activity for today. We will do the first three together, and you will do the last four on your own. We will be highlighting and labeling the different parts of the sentences. At the top, you can see our key and how we will be highlighting them. And below, you'll see our activities. This first part we'll do together. This second part you'll do on your own. So please make sure that you are sharing your screen. We're going to start by finding the verbs, the things I can do. I'll read through the sentence once and then see which one I can do. The angry hippopotamus ran through the blue water. Can I the? Can I angry? Can I hippopotamus? Can I ran or run? I can run, so that is a verb. Can I through? Can I the? Can I blue? Can I water? Nope, so that is the only verb in that first sentence. Let's look at the second part, the adjectives. What kind? Actually, let's start with the nouns because that might be easier because adjectives are typically before nouns. So I'm looking for a person, place, or thing. Is the person, place, or thing? What about angry? What about hippopotamus? Yeah, hippopotamus is an animal. That's a thing. What about through or the? Is blue a thing? Is water a thing? Yes, water is also a noun. Now when we're looking for adjectives, we can look before the nouns. That is typically where they are at. Sometimes they're in other parts of the sentence, but that's normally where they are. So what kind of hippopotamus? An angry hippopotamus. What kind of water? Blue water. So we have all of our verbs, adjectives, and nouns highlighted in the sentence. We'll move on to the next one. Make sure yours looks just like mine. Let's start with verbs again. What can we do? Giraffes have a very long neck that can stretch to get leaves from tall trees. Can I giraffes? Can I have? That's something I can do. Can I vary? Can I long? Can I neck? Can I that? Can I can? Can I stretch? Oh, I can stretch. Can I to? Can I get? I can get something. That's something I could do. Leaves from tall trees. Nope, those are my only verbs. Now let's find the nouns. The things. I know a giraffe is an animal, so that's a thing. I know a neck is a part of the body, so that's a thing. I know leaves are something outside, and trees are also something outside. So those are all nouns. Pause the video if you need more time to highlight. Now I can find the adjectives. Now I don't see anything describing giraffe, but how, what kind of neck? A long neck. See the other one. Doesn't tell me what kind of leaves. What kind of trees? Tall trees. All right, we're on our last one. Start with the verbs. I once saw a zebra that had white and black stripes instead of black and white stripes. They're both the same thing. Can I once? Can I saw or see? Yeah, I can see. Can I zebra? No. Can I white or black? This is the only verb in here that we are going to highlight. Now for our nouns. What things do I have in this sentence? I know zebra is an animal, so that's a thing. White and black are not a thing. Stripes are a thing. That's a noun. And I have stripes again at the end. Now, what words are describing the stripes? What kind of stripes? White and black and black and white. For the bottom section, you will be doing the same thing. Make sure that you're using the question prompts to help you decide if it is a verb, adjective, or a noun. And then you'll be done for grammar for today.